Here you can see that the radiator, it's pretty dirty, and I'm gonna wash it using the toothbrush. So firstly washing it and then removing these bolts, guys. Here we have 3 of them, and they are just bolts that work with pushing and then pulling. Take a look at this one. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I just got this radiator protector from AliExpress, and I would like to install it, and let's see how it fits. I think that this is a great product for 20 euros, but right now I will just have to install it and see if every bolt fits on the radiator. So firstly I'm gonna wash the radiator, because when you fit this one on, it stays there forever, I think. So I'm gonna wash it first and then mount this. Follow me. So we push the bolt and then pull it out. You will see how it works. So like I said, 3 of them, 1, 2 and then 3. But firstly I will have to remove these 2, so 1 and here 2, and the number it's 4, so we will need the Allen key. Okay, this is it. Let's remove the front bolts, guys. It is hard to reach it, that's why I'm using these pliers. So let's do it. And now I have to press this one and pull it out. Yeah, it goes just like I said. So this one is just inserted inside. You press it here and then you pull it out. To remove the plastic, you should just pull out. Now guys, what we have to do is to remove this part here by pressing this plastic, and after we are gonna remove these 2 bolts, and the same is on the other side. I just removed both bolts, so the upper one and the lower one, and here it's this plastic that goes in the hole here, and 2 mount it again, just do it in the reverse way, guys. Here it's the same. We have two bolts, this one and this one, and with the Allen key and pliers we can do it easily. I have to say that these ones are very tight, so you will need more force to remove them. This is how it looks on the Tracer 9. So here we can see that it is a tight fit. I just have to mount also these two. These two come in between the radiator and the guard. It seems to be pretty tight with one piece. That's why I have two pieces. So it can be easily cut. Just be careful not to over tighten them, but previously they were very tight in my opinion. It would be very useful to have torque key here, but I think that also this way it's gonna work. I think that it looks great, guys. So all bolts are on and tightened. I just have to put both plastics on. This was all, guys. This was my AliExpress radiator guard, and I just mounted it. I hope that it's gonna be okay. This is a 20 euros product, so for this money I think that it just works. We will see how long. So thanks for watching, guys, and please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.